So after logging in, as you can see, I've given a quick prompt to MCP, asking it to analyze my portfolio and give me a detailed breakdown on 5 key factors. And just like that, MCP gets to work scanning through my holdings, market data, and sector trends, all in seconds. Report appear and explanation, and here it is. The full MCP report. In just a few seconds, it's pulled together everything about my portfolio into one clean, easy-to-read dashboard. From stock ratings and sector spread, to market trends, risks, and even step-by-step recommendations, it's all right here. Let's take a closer look at each part. 1. Executive summary and key findings. So right at the top, we have the executive summary, a quick snapshot of how my portfolio is doing, the main strengths, and any red flags I should know about. Second, individual stock analysis. Then it breaks down each stock, rating them on fundamentals, growth potential, and sector outlook, so I can see exactly which ones are pulling weight and which might need a rethink. Third, sector analysis. Next, it looks at my sector spread, showing where I'm concentrated, where I'm underexposed, and how those sectors are performing in the current market. Fourth, portfolio health assessment. Here's the portfolio health check, diversification, balance between market caps, and risk concentration. Basically, how stable my overall structure is. 5. Market context and macroeconomic factors. This section ties my portfolio to the bigger picture, current market trends, interest rate outlook, and macroeconomic shifts that could impact my returns. 6. Risk management. Then comes risk management, identifying where my biggest exposures lie and suggesting ways to protect my capital. 7. Bottom line. Finally, the bottom line, clear, actionable recommendations on what to sell, what to hold, and what I could add to strengthen my position. And that's just one quick run with MCP. Think about it. Instant portfolio analysis, market context, risk management, and actionable recommendations, all in one place. Whether you're a casual investor, a market enthusiast, or a full-time trader, this isn't just about tracking your holdings. It's about making smarter, faster, and more confident decisions, backed by AI that works for you 24/7. This is just a glimpse of how Pocketful can elevate your investing journey. MCP, your AI edge in the markets, starting today.